Yo, later today, we're gonna be eating something, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a little hungry. I don't know about you. Ah, dang it.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something.
Alright, I'll just go to the bathroom. This is the room. Hi,
Hi.
Alfred.
Hi, Remy.
You enjoying that?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Alfred, where's your pop toys?
I don't know.
Who is that guy?
Yo, bro, what the heck? What the?
Yo! What happened? What happened, bro? You good?
This crazy dude just pushed me, and the
Yo,
guy
you
that
got
stole the thing-
massive bruise. Wait, the guy who stole the Funko Pops?
Yeah, no, it was a different guy, but I don't know, like his apprentice or something. He pushed me down, and then he ran away with the Funko Pop. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We can still get it, though.
Okay, let's go.
Use the door handle, Remy.
Whatever, Alfred. Hey, stop. Hey!
What did I do?
Hey, you good?
No.
Go! What the heck did you do? Alfred! Where are you? Alfred? Where'd you go, Alfred? Alfred! It's scary out here! Alfred? Where are you, Alfred? I think that's one of Alfred's crayons. There's a trail. There's a crayon there. Okay. Trail. There's one here. That's one. There's one. There's another one. There's one. There's another one. There's one. Alfred.
What?
What is
Oh
this?
god, you scared me. Oh, we got our Funkos.
That's good. We will be back.
By birds, man, and bird guy. We gotta get back inside. We gotta bring this in. Let go away. Oh, it's so cool.
Bro.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
Bro. They literally took you? Do you remember what happened?
Not really.
Hey, you need to pay for that.
There's pineapple on the pizza. Out of all the pizzas that we could have stole, it had to be the one that none of us like. Pineapple. What are we gonna eat then? Glass? Tasty. Well, I think it's getting kind of late. We should head to bed.
Yeah.
And, well, also because there's no pizza for us to eat. Good night.